Word up, buttholes. We got a sad one today. Typewriter Series 466, and it is a sad one. It's okay to be sad sometimes. Sometimes the weight of the world feels a little too heavy, and sometimes you get sad or nostalgic or melancholy, and that's all right. You still show up. You still do the thing. Yeah, today's a sad one, so apologies in advance. Here's your wee paper. Looks like this on the front, and on the back it has what looks like a Civil War drum and a rifle. Here we go. I want to talk about this one, so comment on this one, and let's start a discussion thread in the comments. Here we go. With wet pillowcase on tired cheek, I notice that humans are the only animals to mourn the loss of things they never had. Let me know your thoughts on that. I love you a lot.